Good morning, traders. Good morning. This is Thursday morning, 8 o'clock, 8:01 a.m. Nigerian local time, and I'm doing these videos and for for Wednesday market review. So the high for that day is 1.08665, and the low is 1.07288. For that is the low and the high for uh Wednesday 10th of April 2024. Now I really don't have much. These videos are could just I'm trying to make it 10 minutes because I really don't have much anything to say, and I want to go to Eli. And there's not much on this price. We already know where price is heading to, and we just have to not if you're not trading, let's say you did not get along here. So don't just try to go and do any rational decision. Rather, just patient and watch what the price is doing. Because you're still gonna have tomorrow, next week is still gonna be there for you. So don't overlook, don't even trade on this if you have not been in here all this while. Except it gives us a good reversal. So I'll dive into briefly what we have for today. Now, the Euro US dollar daily contract for Wednesday, 10th of April 2024, delivered impulsively lower as called out from yesterday. I am very pleased to see Euro price drive lower impulsively after the CPI data, just like we have stated. Just like I've stated on yesterday videos, which is Tuesday video and that I did in the morning. So apply to this. Now, with the current price delivery, I am anticipating for Euro to deliver into the sell side liquidities below as the XY is seeking what new buy side liquidity. So I'm looking for price to deliver into this area, maybe then before we anticipate for a reversal. But now we don't know if it's going to come here before or it will reverse before coming here. Now that is the mystery in this market. Now, if euro find its way higher a little into the previous price range, that is, if it goes higher, I am not expecting or looking for a total rebalance of price as the major areas remain open, which price is likely to draw to in today price, and Friday will rebalance the weekly market range. That is, if we price higher, I'm not looking for a total rebalance of this whole liquidity. And also, this is a inversion fair value gap on a daily time frame, and this is the midpoint of that fair value gap. So no matter how I don't see price go back here, go above here until maybe after we take this sell side or this sell side liquidity. So that is it basically for the daily contract on euro. So moving on DXY, we can see almost inverse of this whole scenario on the XY. Now the XY, we see, I made reference of this bullish order block that day. If you keep watching my videos, look how we tapped on it and market respect that area very, very well. Now CPI data have driven us. Look how many pips, almost 100 and something pips. And now today is opening and we are already trading above the previous day high. So if it's going to be bullish, now that's why we'll be looking forward to this buy side, which is a new buy side, and this external buy side liquidity. So we have these two buy side now to look out for the XY. So why before all these two print out, we want to see a reversal, maybe, because why we will not see the reversal is because the market just leave a weekly fair value gap. So for us to expect a new reversal that is going to tame us into this again before we go might not be ideal, right? Because most time they don't do it like that. If they are really, really willing to go here, they will just keep going there regardless of any PDRA that is formed. It will remain untapped. All right. So you don't expect all like always a retracement, that there should be always a retracement in price. It does not occur like that. So that is what we are looking out for. But currently I am off this market. Maybe if I come back by 1:30 Nigerian time, or before 1:30, and I see a beautiful price delivery that resonates with me, I might decide to engage. But if not, if that's not the case, then there is no reason to want to partake in this price, because there are certain things I want to see in price which I am anticipating for. Now, if you look, we just take buy side. What will happen? We will just take sell side and we are retracing back. Maybe this might be a short time liquidity run, then they will deliver it, and now it will now deliver into this fair value gap. Assuming we come inside this is the 4 hourly time frame, oh bro. Assuming we come inside this 4 hour fair value gap, then that will mitigate the idea that at least we now have a PDR rate that is going to derive us lower. At most, we should have something that is deriving price. Okay, because if price is just going and you are not having any catalyst, you don't have anything on your own that is a catalyst behind the price move. That is very, very dangerous if you participate on that. The Euro US dollar 4 hourly contract shows how nicely CPI deliver price lower impulsively. Now on the 4 hour, we can see that Euro price delivery leave unfilled fair value gap and CB, unfilled or fair value gap, or CB, which is sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on tap, which price might not completely retrace into. And we're looking for lower price delivery, and I am anticipating for price retracement into the daily inversion fair value gap on Friday or next week. That is if possibly they want to retrace us back on Friday or next week. We if price trade around this area, Friday we are going to see market retrace back and tap on this fair value gap, and it's going to use it as an institutional order flow entry day, or we are going to form an in this, because there's a scenario that have always been happening. When we have a matters like this, they will just retrace a little and tap on and form on this. Because if you look at this, now this is a breaker block, so it is very, very important that we have a inversion fair value gap that has a breaker block also inside of it. I'm going to take this off my chart, but I don't want to see also what price above this blue line. So that's why I have that in there. And this blue line, you know what it is. This is the monthly candle week consequent encroachment. Look how we did not get through it. All right. I stated that if we are to still remain bearish, I don't want to see us get through this consequent encroachment. And what happened? Everything aligned as we have noted before. So that is very important for the 4 hourly contract on Euro. Then we should go to the 4 hourly contract on DXY. And also we can see now the SY has take a short time high and we are driving lower. And yesterday price action only on 4 hourly candle deliver this, and now we've been in a range. We take buy side, now we are going to take come below this area. So that's very, very important. And how far can we go? We have this leg up on a lower time frame. It's a better candle rather than this weak something. All right, so that is very important, and see how we react off of that bullish or that block. Very, very very, very clean. So that is just how beautifully price delivered every day, every day. So let's go to the hourly contract and your so the hourly contract, at least now you can see we have an hourly fair value gap here. And now what I'm seeing here is that this price delivery here is a liquidity sweep, and we are going to drive lower, maybe not completely, but I'm looking for price to get lower before going higher. That's just one of the things I want to see. If today is going to end up bullish, we need to see market come lower before going higher. And the daily profile for the XY is this candle as the low and this candle as the high of that day, which is of yesterday. Wednesday, 10th of March of April 2024. So this is how price delivered beautifully yesterday. And now we are now looking for a specific set of what of price move that resonates with what we want to see happen. Every time you should always have something that, okay, if this happened, then I want to do this. If this does not happen, I'm not doing this. If this happened, I'm doing that. If that does not happen, I'm doing this. If this, you need to have that so that you can actually scale through this market. By the time you get experienced, you will definitely know why it is important for you to have all these written down, even have all this in your chart. So this is the hourly contract for euro, and I have short statement here. The euro US dollar hourly contract shows how price delivered nicely on intraday price delivery. The daily profile is an obvious 7 o'clock AM New York local time as the high of the day that swept the Asian session and delivered lower impulsively. The low of the day is formed at 12 o'clock PM New York local time that priced a little into the Tuesday, 2nd of April 2024 low and remain in consolidation. Casting forward, we are going to see a lower price delivery in London session, and the New York session might be a reversal. That is for today, which is going to be Thursday. We're anticipating for a lower time price delivery during the London session, then New York session might retrace higher so that we can fill this area of liquidity void. Now, I'm not engaging because I have this liquidity void which price might likely to come. So I'm going to stay off the market for now, and hopefully tomorrow or later in the day, if the market presents something that's nice and beautiful, we can, you know, participate in. I hope this is insightful, and thank you for watching again. I try to make this video short since we don't have much to talk about. So stay moist and have a nice day.